Shinezstory. Me love your wine, girl, bounce on it. Me had the cure for your loneliness. And if you wanna give me, girl, come give me. Me love your wine, girl, bounce on it. Me had the cure for your loneliness. Lose your inhibition, girl, no limits. Shinezstory, welcome back. I'm in Tobago. I'm in the rainforest. I'm going to Roxborough, meet my good friend Brio, who used to live in Lansemy. And we're just going to hang around Roxborough. So welcome back to the vlog. So let me go to Roxborough and check out my boy Brian and see what's going on in that village. Miss Donna, thank you once again for making this possible. And for those who keep on asking, what am I filming with? I'm using the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Can we finish this now? That's another ranking, boy.
Brian and Shara, people know what we can do, and people see me come around and
How much a bunch?
10 a bunch.
So in Roxborough by the gas station, getting some gas. A young guy selling some chenet here, so you know how to support, right?
Respect. You big up yourself too.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
I'm in Akim.
From Roxborough here too?
Yeah, Roxborough.
Alright, you don't know.
I'm in the house too.
Loveindehouse all the time, my brother, boy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
I'm gonna try them chenet. Everybody buying the check, bro. Everybody buying your check, bro. Alright, respect. That's right. Ghanaians just call it skin up. The Grenadians just call it. Well, the Grenadians and Tobagonians just call it gen up. And Trinidadians just call it chenet. My gas full, so let me look to push.
Yeah, man. How are you again?
Right, I tell you, let's go meet Brio.
Pinky!
Who's Pinky there?
Butler! Time to go, my! Trouble there. What time will I really finish that pot last night, dog?
When you come, it's not yet.
No, but I eat, but I leave all the cooking still.
Well, I eat.
You eat?
Yeah, I eat. I finish.
Yeah, you
And
know what time,
Yeah, I can't remember.
Yeah.
Because I went back in the house and thing. Right here?
Yeah, man.
What's this?
Food place.
I passing this right
Right
through.
dog.
Yeah.
Right through. Nice food here. All the time I was your team. Good. Alright, me and my brethren taking a give me a chicken food thing.
I ain't sure, boy. And I just leave Lansemy and come out here for doubles and pass this place straight. So you know what's going on? Tomorrow, please God, we're going to try something.
Yes,
Mostly at the time, right? So Miss South is really new to you right now.
You see the time when it's already...
You're not dumping to go over that meeting in the back there? Oh, gosh. You started? Listen, you started this? So let's see the breakfast.
Breakfast from 6:30
Roti.
and we start lunch and roti from around 10:30.
Alright, thanks, have a blessed day. Wait. Don't do me that now, wait.
Gonna run across here.
Serious, boy, you good. I want to go on camera real bad, boy. Walk up here. Police Station Street.
Yeah.
So we're going up Station Hill. First I'm going up here, but I see it on the drone. When I fly my drone around here,
Yeah.
I see here, but I never come up here. So this is where the old police station was located in Roxborough. But it was the first police station in Roxborough.
Yeah. Well, according to my knowledge, yeah.
Right. Station Hill. The hill have a whole name after the police station.
Yep. Yeah, here's where the police station used to be.
Up in here?
Yeah.
This is it there?
Yep. This was the
The Kakwana right there.
Yeah, is he one?
He dead? He dead? Boy! get what I wanted, boy. I'm going to catch a guana, eh?
Smart playing.
Oh, you're playing dead for them? Oh, shit. So, you see? So, you're not the time? You're not the time?
I don't hold you on already, man. You're not playing the queen, too.
And so, you never come out when you was coming out, you know?
Yeah, he playing smarty and then.
But the dog and I'm walking over him and rolling over him.
Yeah, that's why he lay down there doing playing smart.
Oh.
So them dogs are in busy.
Alright, people, so this is Roxborough first police station. It's abandoned. But they used to stay here and watch down in the village to see who get in trouble. So when men feel people informing on them, it's the police right here watching what go on in the village. Look how simple it is.
Side and that side, yeah.
And that side over there.
Yeah, too.
Right.
Next side of the village.
Alright. So let me go and eat something in front of the old police station.
Original burglar proofing.
Oh, cool! It's an old time bed and they use it as a burglar proofing. Watch it. Wow. You used to make slinging shot with that long time.
It's a hard day and you realize things ain't going your way. You know?
And is this pork from DNL? So you see, my boy buy a pork for me with a fork. A spork, right? Police Youth Club right here, right here, this green building.
This green building.
Alright.
Gym and thing downstairs and all activities, new police station.
And this is the new police station, people.
They already knew one day so.
So I gave already the old police station, the new police station. My hat off right now, you see my bald head. So we're still in Roxborough. I'm here in a street that I always come to. I just do harvest up in the back here and big up my good friend Colin in the back here who's always supporting me and showing me love with every video I drop on my channel. I used to pass through Roxborough as a little boy with my parents to go to Lansing. That was the only way to Lansing. You cannot pass from Castara side as yet. So that's to tell you how long ago that was.
See the kind of arch there?
This one,
Yeah, the lower one. The lower one with the kind of arch.
yeah.
Yeah, you know this man.
You know me? Somewhere. You know me? Oh my brother, which one? This man say you know me from YouTube. What is this, right?
Yeah, somebody looking like you, right?
I'm telling you, how to be.
Places you got people are selling that.
Let me push. I ain't even driving today. That feels so relaxing, eh, boy? So we in Betty Hope now?
Yes. Right, we're going down to Battery Bay.
Yes, yeah. So why they call it Battery Bay?
To be honest, I know, you know. Diver! Yeah.
That is the bay I was talking about.
Yeah.
I never go on this one where you came in here.
It's the same bay from the same street, you go see. When you reach down there, you go see. That is where you say, if it's, you know if it's because of the street over there, we call Battery Trace.
That they name it?
Yeah, that name the bay. But
That's over the previous side, right?
Yeah.
It's the bypass.
Battery Street.
Right.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Park up all day.
Yeah, they were known. Yeah, they did the house thing I tell you about.
Ranche.
Yeah. Someone you live in there?
No, the fella brother does be turning around here now. Guy dead.
Yeah.
You didn't notice it had like a little park with some cannon.
A cannon, yeah.
Those cannons used to be on this.
On this hill, yeah?
Yeah, they used to be on this hill. This hill was much further out. Erosion and things take place. Some of the cannons, a couple cannons even fall into the sea water. Right? And then when they realized what was going on, they take the remaining ones and carry them up on the hill up there.
Oh.
So they have cannons right. Erosion after. All these rocks was high.
Good island people.
The first guy that ever mined this out, eh? This man, a guy named Argyle, was also a very skilled diver. One of the best divers in Tobago at his time. And he used to do like freelance diving. He would just dive with a mask alone.
Right.
And he flippers, no snorkel, nothing like that. And have a very long breath span when he go under the water.
He's still around?
Long. He's still around, but old guy now.
Right.
Yeah, he was the first person that carried boats out on the island. Right? People used to catch them for harvest and stuff, go out and shoot them in one, catch for harvest and stuff until eventually they became extinct from on the island. And you wouldn't believe, like 10, 15, 20 years after this happened,
Yeah.
his grandson grew up and he's the one that owning boats out on the island.
Oh, so it passed down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
His grandson. You know? We had a famous sea grape tree here. Well, this one doesn't have any on it right now. I think this season just finished for the sea grape. This season just finished. My grandmother used to like to use this to make wine. I see some green ones here. What she would do? Look, there's some green ones here. Still on the, what my grandmother would do is she would take the ripe ones when they're very ripe and she would put them in a bucket with some sugar and some prunes, some raisin and stuff like that and leave them to ferment. And after 18-21 days, she would check it to see how it's coming along. And once as it reach up, you know, I used to be she wine taste tester. I will taste the wine and tell she, well, yeah, granny, this one good or this one could take a little more sugar or this one a little too dry. You know, when wine and high enough sugar, it does be dry. You know, so I used to taste it and let she know exactly what's going on. So
So where we at right now?
these we heading into the
Argyle Waterfall.
Waterfall Road. Have well, the facility and bar and thing inside here called the Waterhole. You know?
Oh, Waterhole bar.
See the Waterhole bar here, Argyle Waterfall. Yeah. So you have the facilities that call the Waterhole and here is the video today. Argyle Waterfall.
This is Argyle Waterfall bar.
Called Waterhole. The Waterhole.
It's called the Waterhole.
You know, like when you're in the savannah in Africa, in the dry season, and it has limit of water, there's a certain water hole in certain different areas, and all the animals just head for that one water hole because there is drought. Yeah, this is the water hole.
First time I come in here, and it's going to be the first time I go to Argyle Waterfall, and I from Tobago. Will you believe that? I think I need to put back on my hat. Yeah. I ain't going in, I go stay outside. So you had a pass here? Yeah. Serious? Oh, I thought that. Oh, alright.
Donna, big up.
Yes, I. This is a 10-minute walk. Alright, so that's the first time I come into the waterfall in Argyle. Heard about it years. Yeah. That's a chill spot right there. I always in Tobago, I grew up in Lansing. I've never been to Argyle Waterfall. Thanks to Miss Donna for making this one possible. So I'm gonna take the whole trip walking up people, so they say there's a boil.
Sugar. You need to boil sugar. Or sometimes to patch farine. You know?
Yeah, I'm from farine.
Yes.
Yes, boy. Yeah. Wow.
Local things now, you know.
Yeah, what's your name of business, brother?
Blessings flow, you know.
Blessings.
We just call it the jungle shop still, you know.
jungle
When you
shop.
come through the Argyle Waterfall, look for the shop on the trail, man, you know. And the agent Sean and Argyle, you know. So
That's right, sure.
we doing the works, you know. Powerful every time.
You speak right, brother?
Yeah. Loveindehouse, you know, their friends and them
All
see
the
what's going
time,
on,
all
and you
the
know,
time.
they know it's we doing it now, you know.
That's right.
So we always appreciate the support every time. But make sure, like yourself, maybe when you come back, you and all can get something.
Alright, you done right?
Loveindehouse,
Respect,
right?
all the time.
Every time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, get it. At least it wasn't hard like the rock yesterday. The color changed. This reminds me of Blue Basin.
I just wonder, you know, it looks so, the machine so good now, boy. You know what I mean? This is more feeling.
Woo! That. Wow, Tobago. This, I would consider this as the blood of Tobago. Yeah. The rainforest is the lungs of Tobago, and there's the blood. They're always running, always flowing with love too, eh? Wow. Shinezstory. Me love your wine, girl, bounce on it. Me had the cure for your loneliness. And if you wanna give me, girl, come give me. Me love your wine, girl, bounce on it. Me had the cure for your loneliness. Lose your inhibition, girl, no limits. With a stout and a roll on. The girl know me ready. You ride rough, she go hold on. So let me rock steady. Alright, so we here by Argyle Waterfall. Actually, I come and ain't take a dip for my first time ever being here. Brio, I would like to thank you for taking me around Roxborough today and making this vlog happen and actually bringing me here after all these years. I grew up here and never come here. So, you don't know. Thanks to the guana too.
Yep, of course.
Yes, so you don't know.
This was me and my bedroom them favorite spot during the hot dry season going there.
Serious?
Yeah, it's up here we used to come and chill out. Up here we come in and chill out.
Wow. So I'm going to get a taste right now. I'm going to get a taste right. Ms. Donna, thank you for sponsoring this vlog, making this happen. Relevant Media, big up yourself. Loving the house.
Loving the house.
All the time. Sorry about that, you didn't get to see me take a little swim in Argyle Waterfall. But the battery had died. After I take a bath, we came back to Roxborough and get a little charge. So here we are at Roxborough. But I'm going to end off the vlog because it's getting a little dark right now. Brian, I would like to thank you for your time. Thank you for making this happen, for carrying me through Roxborough. And when I finished with Roxborough, I had to come back. There are other things that I didn't cover yet. So anybody seeing this video and say, boy, you didn't pass on my side, you didn't pass on my business, sorry about that, but I'm coming. Message me or comment on this video and I'll come to your business, your place, your home, when you're cooking, and we will do something, right? Big up Roxborough. Shinezstory, Loveindehouse. Thanks to Ms. Donna for making this one possible. Let me watch our sunset now, boy. Look at that. Shinezstory. Me love your wine, girl, bounce on it. Me had the cure for your loneliness. And if you wanna give me, girl, come give me. Me love your wine, girl, bounce on it. Me had the cure for your loneliness. Lose your inhibition, girl, no limits. With a stout and a roll on. The girl know me ready. You ride rough, she go hold on. So let me rock steady. Not thinking about emotion in the ocean, girl. The skin smooth like lotion, girl. Hypnotize me. I love how you hypnotize me. I don't care what you do or say, but you make me feel some type of way. I'm not here for the games you play. You could break my heart and take the pain away.